Greetings, greetings, greetings. You ever hear somebody a cuss off somebody else and I tell them one whole heap of something bad? I wonder what kind of somebody them could have be if you talk them kind of way they two people are both people. Eh? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people fear, gotta talk to them in the Jamaican language. Just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody we know. And if you not do it yet, now at the best time if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. If you make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we are going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 6 from verse 43 to verse 45. Good tree no bear bad fruit, and bad tree no bear good fruit. Only can know one tree sake of the kind of fruit where it bear. People no pick pranganat off a maca tree and grape off a maca bush. The good man do good sitting sake of the good we store up in him. And the wicked man do wicked sitting sake of the wickedness we store up in him. Cause what come out of him mouth our day in him heart. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.